We all know who Taylor Swift is. She is an extremely successful singer-songwriter, producer, director, actor, and businesswoman. But did you also know she is the bee's knees at SEO? In today's digital marketplace, achieving success requires a profound comprehension of search engine optimization. More than just relying on keywords and backlinks, SEO is a dynamic discipline that harnesses strategic content, audience engagement, and technical optimization to attain higher ranking in search engine results. Taylor Swift's proficiency in these principles comes as no surprise. Her techniques translate into an effective SEO strategy, establishing connections with her audience, creating captivating content, and leveraging timing to maximize impact. If you want to get your website to the top of the Google charts, then here are SEO tips you can use that Taylor Swift uses to gain SEO success. Choose the perfect timing for new releases. Much like how Taylor Swift strategically surprises her fans with new songs and albums, generating anticipation and excitement, the timing of your content release is equally crucial. To ensure maximum and immediate engagement, schedule your posts during peak user activity times. The right timing can significantly enhance your visibility. If you want more tips and advice regarding all things SEO, then like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any more videos. Thank you for watching. If you want our team to help you with your marketing, why not contact our digital marketing agency, absolutemedia.uk. You can get a free consultation and take the first steps into launching your traffic to the next level. All details are in the description below.